Hi everyone, I'm thrilled to welcome you to the Power of Women conference put on by the amazing young women from the Nellie McClung Junior High Girls Program. When I heard about this wonderful conference created and organized by junior high students for junior high students, I wanted so badly to be a part of it. Your efforts to make this great idea an incredible reality is so inspiring. Young women like you are the reason so many of my female colleagues and I ran for office. You're why we put together the first gender-balanced provincial cabinet in Alberta's history. And you're why we created the Status of Women Ministry that promotes female engagement, employment, and empowerment. Conferences like the one you're putting on today demonstrate why all this work is worth it. You're showing our province that the next generation of girls is ready to work together to meet the challenges that you face head on. And I couldn't be prouder of you. So thank you for inviting me to participate today. Thank you to all of the students who worked so hard to make this conference possible. And thank you to the teachers, staff, and families who are empowering this next generation of leaders. From all of us in your provincial government, I hope you have a great and productive conference together.